Ever had an Excel sheet that you really don't want anyone touching? Today, we aren't just hiding your Excel tabs. We're not even stopping at super hiding. We're going full fortress mode with a VBA password. I am going to show you how to add a password, lock the VBA project, and turn your spreadsheet into a digital fortress. By the end of this 4-minute video, you'll have a sheet so hidden that even Alt plus F11 throws a password wall at anyone who tries to snoop. Let me show you. I have opened an Excel workbook with many tabs. It's a financial KPI dashboard, and I want to hide the calculations worksheet. Normally, when you want to hide a sheet, you right-click and hit Hide. Simple, right? Wrong. That's like hiding your house keys under the welcome mat. Anyone can right-click, hit Unhide, and boom, they're in your data, changing your numbers and ruining your weekend. We need something better. We need the very hidden setting. It sounds like a joke, but it's a real thing in Excel. Let's press Alt F11 to open the VBA Editor. Don't panic. We're not doing scary programming today. Once the editor opens, make sure you can see these two panels, Project Explorer and Properties window. If you don't see them, go to View at the top and click on them. In that list on the top left, find the name of the sheet you want to vanish. It's this one, Sheet 7, Calculations. Click it once. Now, look at the Properties box right below that list. Look for the very last row. It literally says Visible. Click the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see 3 options. We want the one that sounds the most dramatic. To Excel Sheet Very Hidden. Click it. Now go back to your regular Excel window with Alt F11 again. It's gone. Right-click any other tab. See that? The Unhide button is grayed out. You've officially baffled 99% of Excel users. Okay, the tab is gone. But here's the thing. Most tutorials stop here. And that's a mistake. Here's why. What if your coworker knows the Alt F11 trick? We need a deadbolt. Go back to the VBA Editor. Right-click on where it says VBA Project and your workbook name. Select VBA Project Properties. Now go to the Protection tab. Check the box that says Lock Project for Viewing. Enter a password. Let's use 123456 for this demo. But please, for the love of all things holy, use something better in real life. Click OK. Now we need Excel to treat this workbook as one that contains VBA content. But don't worry, you still do not need to write any real code. In the Project Explorer, double-click this workbook. At the top where it says General, click that and change it to Workbook. Excel will automatically generate a default event procedure for you. Leave it alone. This just tells Excel to treat the file as macro-enabled so the protection sticks. You don't need to understand it, just do it once and forget it. Because we technically added a tiny bit of magic code, we can't save this as a normal Excel file. Close the editor. Click File, then Save As. Change the file type to Excel macro-enabled workbook .xlsm. If you don't do this, the password and the super hide disappear the moment you close the file. Close the file. Reopen it. Excel might ask if you want to enable content. Click Yes. Try to unhide the sheet normally. Still grayed out? Perfect. Press Alt plus F11. Try to click the plus sign to see your sheets. Boom! Password prompt. Only you have the key. You are now the master of sheets. If this helped you keep your data safe from magical fingers, Mike, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you want to go from super hiding sheets to actually automating your entire job so you can take longer lunch breaks, check out my full Excel, VBA, and macro courses linked in the description below. Subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next tip. Have a productive, stress-free week, and I'll see you in the next one.